Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded a video since the 19th of October. Look, I didn't even realize it was like so long. I know you guys would be like, girl, where the hell have you been? Well, this video is a story time. It's a crazy story. So this is the only way I can explain to you guys why I haven't been uploading any video and why I didn't continue my keto journey. Alright? So to begin the story is about my father. If you're from Guyana, you would know what I mean when I say my father worked in the bush, or you could say he worked in the interior, or you could also say he worked in the back dam. If you're from Guyana, you know what I mean. Alright, so my father worked in the interior, but he suffered from he's a diabetic, he suffered from sugar, so sometimes he get ill a lot. So somebody called me, I don't know, somebody started spreading these rumors and had the whole family in shambles. So somebody called me and told me that, I didn't even want to say the word, that my father had died in the interior, right? Guys, after I heard that, my whole world fell apart. I was heartbroken, I was sad, I was crying, and I wasn't even thinking about YouTube. I wasn't even thinking about keto or anything like that, alright? I just went in my own world. So the story got crazier. Because when the person first called me, they say he died the same day they called me. Then somebody called and said he died 2 days ago. And then someone called and said he died 3 days ago. I was like, why wouldn't his partners or friend bring him down, And where my father worked, there's no cell signal. In order for him to call me or anybody in town here, he would have to travel like 2 hours to go and make a phone call at some internet place. But it doesn't have any cell signal or anything up there, so you can make a call to find out anything at all. So we keep hearing all different story. We even heard that someone even told us that he died 5 days ago. I was like, what the hell? Because out there do not have any parlor or mortuary or anything. So if someone died like so many days ago, they're gonna start decaying, start rotting, smelling, things like that. And we were wondering why the hell his people up there wouldn't bring him down if it's that he died since 5 days ago. So the story got crazier now. We heard that he died and they end up bury him in the back dam. I was like, what the F? Why would they bury my father in the back dam when he has family in town here, It doesn't make any goddamn sense. So that got me angry, and all these emotions that me and the family going through for the couple of days, it was very confusing. So my auntie got onto my uncle, which he's also in the interior, but he's far away from where my father's were. So he ended up calling the person that my father does, the land that my father's work on. My uncle ended up calling the owner of the land and asked him if he heard anything. The owner said he ain't hear nothing, but where the owner for the is, my father's about 3 to 4 hours ride from where he is. So the owner of the land ended up sending one of his riders to go to where my father is, which in the rider had to travel like 3 to 4 hours to go and 3 to 4 hours to come back to tell us like what the hell is going on. We just wanted the truth because the story just keep getting crazier and crazier and crazier. Anyway, the rider left the morning and we were saying, oh my god, this story, it doesn't make any sense. So me and the whole family, we were hoping for the best. We started praying and thinking like, hoping that the story is not true and that my father is alive. So for the whole day for the 6 hours we had to wait till the ride to come back. Oh my god, I think it even took 6 hours. It took him like 10 hours. Yeah, because still he left the morning, still the night time we got the final news and like what the hell is going on. Anyway, so when the rider came back, he told us that he saw my father in the back dam and my father is okay. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, that was like the happiest day of my life, you know. I was so happy that it wasn't true, but I don't know who the hell started this goddamn rumors. If I only see that person, I'll be like, punch your ass in the face, you know. Yeah, so you don't call somebody and tell them these stories if you know it's not true, you know. You shouldn't do that. And I wasn't happy about that. And because of that, this will make I end up not continuing keto. Because for the whole week, guys, I did not even cook. No, I didn't cook. Because I would have to be like on the road and so. So I bought stuff for the road. So I wasn't even thinking about keto or anything like that, guys. I wasn't. And that's the total honest truth. But I know it's a crazy story, but I'm happy with the end results. But it kind of still messed me up for a bit, you know. I tend to like when things happen to me, I take it on a lot and things like that, and I can't get back to where I was. So it was a struggle, but I'm back. I'm back on my YouTube. I haven't made a video as well, like 3 weeks. So you don't know your girl, I even get to pay for YouTube this month because I haven't been making any video. But that's alright. I had to take the time to get back myself, you know. Back to me. Alright, guys. So, you know when an alcoholic, you know, go to a rehab center, right? And then he comes out of the rehab and he go back and drink liquor. Basically, he relapse, right? So that is what happened to me. Your girl relapsed on her keto journey. Just because I went through this traumatic situation, I fall off the wagon. But I'm going to climb right back up on this wagon and continue my keto journey for you guys, right? By now, I probably would have lost about 20 pounds by now, but you know, everything happened for a reason. So I'm going to still continue my keto journey, and I hope you guys keep on watching my videos. Yeah, I won't be doing like what I eat in a day for keto, but I would be making keto videos every day, but I wouldn't be making like 3 meals per day because guys, that is so hard to do. And also right now I started to do some courses online, and I have to be doing like a lot of reading and things like that. So I don't want to be doing what I eat in a day every single day because I might not get the time, but I will be uploading a video every day for you guys still. Alright, so the courses that I'm doing like advertising, marketing, psychiatric, mental health, things like that I'm doing. So every week I have like a quiz to do, so you guys are a little busy, but I will be uploading my videos every day. Alright guys, so I hope you guys watch my video, give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, because I saw I got like a lot of new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. And your girl is back. Yes, I'm back. I am back to YouTube. I had to like get up this morning, and I was like 7 o'clock in the morning. I get up, I bathe, I was like, girl, you gotta make your videos today, because every day I keep saying I'm making my video, and I don't make no goddamn video. But I'm back now. So if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to all who has been sending me message asking me, Afton, why no video? Afton, where are you? Afton's everything okay? So thank you guys so much. I didn't know you guys care about me so much, and that, I really appreciate that. Alright, so keep on watching my videos, and please continue to watch my ads, and don't skip the ads, watch the ads. And you can follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, so Take care and see you in the next video. Bye guys. I'm back.